Hiya folks, Mick here. In this video it's going to be a little bit different. I want to talk about the new filter that I'm getting. As you all know, there's loads of different filters out there, like water filters. You got the AquaGuards, Catadines, Sawyer. Them are the most popular ones. But when it comes to filters, there's a minefield of them. There is hundreds of different types. But this one, I've never really seen anybody using it in their videos. It's one I've always used. This is the 2019 model. I do have the old model here, which I'll go into later. But I've had this 7 year, 7, 8 year, and it's still working. So in any case, we'll go into the main new 2019 model. So what do we have? Right. Drink safe systems. Micro purification filter, safe water wherever you are. Whether you're walking in the wild or staying in foreign country, clear water, the tap or stream does not mean clean, safe drinking water. Harmful bacteria including typhoid, E-Coli, Cryptosporidium Reduces, Giardia, viruses, Anthrax, protozoa and parasitic worms are instantly removed by this. Additionally removes chemicals from groundwater including fertilizers, pesticides, VOCs, PCBs including heavy metal, reduces chemical compounds with water treatment chemicals, example iodine and chlorine. So you can basically see it's definitely a good system. It removes 99.9% of bacteria and harmful things. So let's get into this package itself. Right then. Just shows you a few other products that they do. You've got the travel tap, you've got the water pump, water straw, water bags. You've got the AquaGuard platypus thing. That's just a few of the things that they do. But with this you get a lanyard. You get the cover for the bottle, which can actually stop your water from freezing, as it's reflective inside. That is quite thick. Obviously the lanyard will go onto this bag itself. You got a straw, a little mini straw, which I'll show you what that's for. Now this bottle is different from the old one. The filter is at the bottom, where the old one, you can see the filter at the top here. Now the reason why that is, when you're filtering, it'll filter from the bottom, where the old version you have to tip it up to filter your water. So they've come up with the idea where there's a straw through the bottom and the filter is right at the bottom, so you can get the dregs out and you don't have to tip the bottle upside down. Now the filter in these are removable. This will filter about 1,600 litres of water. Once it passes that, it's an automatic shutdown, so you don't get contaminated water coming through. It will automatically shut down once it's past its life. The straw, if you've got a clean drinking source and you just want to use your bottle as a water bottle, then you clip the straw on there and it goes all the way down to the bottom, and you've just got yourself a normal drinking bottle with the flip lid or the flip spout. So that's if you know you've got a normal fresh source of water. But if you're collecting from streams, lakes, creeks, whatever, then that's what you'll be using. Now as it says, it filters about 1,600 litres of water before it shuts off automatically. It filters 99.9% of bacteria from the water. Now I've drank out of some manky streams where the water's been pretty brown, insects have been in it, things like that. Bog peats, I've drank from them. The water still stayed a little brown, but it is drinkable. And I've never been ill, I've never had, the diarrhea, vomiting, or anything like that. It's just been brilliant, a brilliant piece of kit. Now this is the old one. I've had this 7 years. And the filter on this one just screws off like that. Once this one automatically shuts down, you screw another one back on. Now the thing I like about this is you can drink on the go. You can just stop, pull it out the side, pocket of your bag, unscrew it, fill it up straight away, put the top on, and you're ready to go. Drink it straight away. Where you've got something like the pathogen where you pump it. You've got to get all the tubing, fasten it all up, put the tube in the stream, pump it into another clean bottle. It's just too much of a carry on, especially when you're on the go and you've got like miles to hike. So you just fill this up and away you go. You can also filter into another bottle if you want to use it for cuppers, cooking, things like that. And it's just so simple, that's why I like this filter. Now I can't understand, because I've never seen people use these in the lakes, in the videos, just strange. So that's the Drink Safe Systems travel tap. You can click the link below in the description box for the price of this latest filter. Get yourself one, really good. And you stay safe out there. I'll see you very soon in another video.